In today's video, I'll show you how to add automated follow-up emails in Acuity scheduling step by step. Follow-up emails are a great way to thank clients, request reviews, share additional information, or encourage future bookings automatically after an appointment is completed. First, log into your Acuity scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, click on Client Emails from the left-hand menu. Next, locate the Follow-up section. This is where you can create emails that are automatically sent after appointments. Now click Add a Follow-up. Choose when the email should be sent. For example, you can schedule it to go out a few hours, one day, or several days after the appointment ends. After that, select who should receive the email. You can send it to clients, administrators, or both, depending on your needs. Now it's time to customize the email. Click to create a new template or edit an existing one. Enter a subject line that matches the purpose of the message. Then write your email content. You might thank the client for their visit, ask for feedback, provide follow-up instructions, or invite them to schedule another appointment. You can also use dynamic fields that automatically insert details such as the client's name or appointment information, making each email feel more personal. Next, choose which appointment types the follow-up should apply to. Once everything looks good, click Save to activate the automated follow-up. From now on, Acuity Scheduling will automatically send the email according to the schedule you selected. Before finishing, review your template and run a test appointment if possible to make sure the email is delivered correctly and contains the information you want. And that's it. You've successfully added automated follow-up emails in Acuity Scheduling and created a simple way to stay connected with your clients after their appointments. And that's how you add automated follow-up emails in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.